Alright everybody, what's up? This is Joshua Maitland here, and in this video I'm going to be doing some unboxing. Now I'm not going to be unboxing this, oh no. I'm going to explain why in a second. Now this is what I'm going to be unboxing instead. Yes, this is a slim portable DVD writer from Hitachi-LG. Now, the reason is I really want to replace that with this. You'll see the reason why. You see what I mean? Every time I close the drawer rather, the green LED didn't even light up, so I had to do this like several times just to get that LED working. It's so awful. So, yeah. Right, so without further ado, let's unbox this. We better take this out of the way. Although I could do is I'll try using it with scissors. Now I did use some scissors, but unfortunately I don't want the risk of damaging the box, so I'm going to be using my fingers instead. Which is the reason why this footage is being sped up. So there is USB cable to power it all up. I think a warranty thingy looks like. No, it's something else. Oh, it's like instructions. And there's a disc that will come with this. And here is the drive itself. Kind of cool. Right, let's hook up this onto my netbook, which I used on. Yeah, I think I should probably set that up with my netbook, and I possibly may want to install one game as well. So yeah, let's just do that. Right, what happens when I plug that in? I hope it will power on. Yep, told you. As if. Right, let's power this netbook on. Okay, so the netbook has been powered up, and so does the DVD drive. Portable DVD drive, rather. So, and as you can go into my computer, the reason I have these two on is because I've got the ISO virtual drive. So let's put something in, and so I'm going to be installing Space Invaders Anniversary since 1978. And as you can probably tell, it closes up nicely and loads up nicely as well. Oh, and I think it goes on to the D drive. Because F is the because F is the ISO mounter thingy. Windows XP has been detected. Excellent. This title is compatible with your operating system. I'm going to click on install. Let's position the camera so you can see the screen correctly. It's English. Excellent. Knock off yet. Oh, and you can probably hear the CD drive, DVD drive spinning up. Don't know why. Right, Space Invaders Anniversary has been installed. So, I think I should probably inject the drive now. As if. Now, let's put something that can be run on a CD. Yes, as you can probably tell, I'm going to be playing the Lego Racers 2, which I've got right here. So now I'm putting it in. Let me press enter. Please excuse me that FPS thing, because I'm using Fraps. I'm gonna skip the intro. I'm gonna go with adventure. No, it's gonna go with arcade. There's 2 laps. That's fine. I'm gonna have to turn the whole volume down. Oh, it's so goddamn annoying when I have to use these arrow keys. Think it's the second lap now. Oh yes, I can see it. I can see the for the lap counter. I came in third. Well, that's okay then. Let's quit out of that. Right, so now I'm very curious just to see what's on the disc. I know there is a Cyberlink media suit, but I just wanted to have a look because I think there's something that I really want to be having a look at once I've put it in. Oh yes, Power DVD, Photo Director. Oh, it's only for free download. I don't think I will not need it for necessarily. I know on the box on the back says it does have power to go, power backup, etc. But I don't know if it's just these two. Oh, I don't think it's not compatible. Damn. But this drive still works on XP. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm not gonna install that program because it's not compatible like it says in the message box. Well, that will do it for this video. There's nothing much to show on this DVD drive. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you wish to be notified when I upload new videos onto my channel, then turn on the bell notifications. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Until then, bye bye for now.